In this video, I'm going to be going through how to build circuit number 4 in our TinkerCAD circuit lab. Again, at this point, we should all be able to wire up the battery to the breadboard properly and pull in our necessary components. So on your doc for circuit 4, the instructions say construct a parallel circuit using one 9-volt battery, 3 1 kilo ohm resistors, one red LED, one yellow LED, one green LED, a push button switch, and a breadboard. And this is our first time really wiring something up in parallel. We've drawn schematic diagrams in parallel, but we've never done wiring in parallel. Something just to remember about parallel circuits, each component is connected to power and also ground. So each component or each kind of part of the parallel circuit go back to power and ground. So the first thing here I'm going to wire up is the switch, which is a little bit different, and you can kind of do this in any order, but I'm just going to do the switch first. I need to rotate it. Again, I need to hook it up over the break in the breadboard. This one's super easy. One side goes to power, and the other side of the switch goes to ground. That's it. Black, perfect. Okay, again, each component's going back to power and ground. The next thing I need to hook up are the LED and resistor kind of branches of the circuit. So the first thing I'm going to do is just turn these so it's a little bit easier, so I have them all ready to go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is the red, so it's almost going to be like a stoplight. This one's, again, the LEDs are easy to wire up because the cathode of the LED is going to negative, okay? Cathodes are negative, cathode can go back to negative. Then the resistor, because we always need a resistor paired with an LED, the resistor is what's going to be connected to the positive side of the breadboard. So we're going directly from the positive side of the breadboard to the same horizontal row where the anode of the LED is connected. So you can choose to put a wire in there. I find it unnecessary. You can just kind of hook up the LED and the resistor just like that. So you're going to do the same thing for the other two sets or other two LED resistor pairs. So I'm just going to do this quickly. Okay, so if I start the simulation, when I start the simulation, we wired these up so that when you start the simulation, the LEDs are on. If I press the push button and hold down, then they turn off.